Hey class, sorry I can't be there with you today. I'm at home with COVID. I don't want to give you COVID, and so I'm at home doing this video lesson. But Miss Victoria, I know will do an awesome job with the class, and I know you will be awesome behave for her. If not, she will tell me. And so we're just gonna do the best we can. So if you remember, this month's theme is physics. And that's the study of what the universe is made of, how it works, and how different things react in different situations. And so today we're talking about magnets, and the study of magnets is called magnetism. So if you were here in the class in November, you probably remember Chemistry Month. I'll do a quick recap about atoms for you here, just in case you don't remember or you weren't here. It's all good. So everything you can touch is made out of matter. Solids like you, liquids like water, and gases like air are all matter. And all matter is made out of atoms. Atoms are super tiny, you can't even see them with most microscopes, and they have two parts, the nucleus and the electrons, which form a cloud around the nucleus called the electron cloud. Sometimes there's a lonely electron in this cloud which spins and creates what we call an electromagnetic field. An electromagnetic field creates a type of field force which can push or pull something without touching it. When you put a bunch of atoms like this together, it creates a magnet with an even stronger electromagnetic field. We label the two sides of this field north and south, which you can see on the magnet in front of you. When you put two of these magnets together, some cool things can happen. So I want you to put the opposite sides next to each other, like the red and the blue side, the north and the south side together, and pause the video and see what happens. All right, so you probably noticed that the two magnets stick together. The electromagnetic forces match, and so the magnet creates an attractive force. Now let's see what happens when you put two magnets together with two north sides facing each other, or two south sides, as long as it's the same side facing each other. Let's pause the video and see what happens then. So the electromagnetic fields push against each other, causing a repelling force. And so it's really hard to touch the magnets to each other. You can even feel it a little bit. It's hard to touch them to each other, and they don't like it. So the next concept we're going to do is what's called induced magnets. Some metals are only a magnet when they are being acted upon by another magnet. So Victoria is going to pass out some paper clips, which is like this, and I want you to pause the video and see what side of the magnet does the paper clip stick to and what side does it repel from. It's a little bit of a trick question. All right, so you probably noticed that the paper clip sticks to both sides of the magnet, which is kind of crazy, right? And so the paper clip isn't normally a magnet. It's only a magnet when it's next to that magnet. And so it can stick to either side. And that's actually how you can hang something on your refrigerator. Your refrigerator is not a giant magnet, but the magnets that you put on it makes it a magnet, which is pretty cool. And so now for the rest of class, you're going to have two final things to do. Victoria's going to give you some different things in the magnet kit that you can experiment around with, see what happens when you do different things. Just have fun and figure out why different things are happening. And when you're done with that, you can use the box of random materials. You can use things from the STEM cart. And you can see what happens when you make different things with you can make different magnets for your fridge. And you can use the magnet tape that Victoria has for that. All right, have fun. See you next week. Bye.